Hey guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today, as you guys saw from the title of the video, I'll be unboxing the Canon M50. I don't feel no pressure. I'm just trying to be anything free, so I'm not gonna put you under pressure. Hey guys, it's Maddie. So I just want to come on here and say happy 4th of July to everyone. Yeah guys, I love you all so much. Thank you guys for all the love and support, and happy 4th of July to you guys. So another thing that we need to talk about, Positivity X Madison. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's a way that you guys can spread positivity through the circumstances that we're all facing right now. And yeah, so all you have to do is email my business email and something that you can do to spread positivity. And this week's positivity force member is Jana. So Jana's way to spread positivity is okay, so she wrote me a long sort of email right there, and I'm gonna read it. So one way to spread positivity is helping someone out or giving someone advice that might help them. You can also just call a friend, and it might just make them happy, especially through COVID and everything that's going on. So I totally agree with her, and all of you should as well, because that's just a great way to spread positivity. So thank you, Jana. Your name is officially on Positivity Force Wall today. Yeah. Yeah guys, so yeah, so if you guys want to be a part of Positivity Force, all you got to do is email me your name, something that you can do to spread positivity. And yeah guys, so happy 4th of July to you guys. Love you all so much, and let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so as you guys saw from the title of the video, I'll be unboxing the Canon M50. I just got this camera about a week ago, and here's also the lens. So I'm going to be unboxing these, and just my first look at it. So first we're going to start with unboxing the lens. We did buy the lens separately with the camera, but totally you can buy it together or you can buy it separately, whatever you please. So we have the lens, and then we have another cover for the base of the camera where the lens hooks onto. So I want to put this box right there. This lens is 15 through 45 wide lens, so it is a very good zoom and very clear once on the camera. So this is what it looks like. And now we're going to unbox the Canon M50 itself. So I was very excited to get this camera just because of how high quality it is. This camera came out in 2018, and it's just so high quality. So first, before you open up the camera itself, here is the manual that comes on top, and then there's a little, couple things that say thanks for choosing Canon, and then a couple things just to let you know about the camera. But most of the instructions and stuff are in the manual. So the next thing that we can see is in this bubble wrap, and in this bag are the chargers for the camera, and very good chargers right here. So this is the long charger that hooks onto this. So basically you just put the battery pack in here and it does its thing. So there that is. I want to set all this stuff over to the side once they all come out. So I'll set that right there, so you guys can see the lens and everything, the charger. Next thing that we have is the battery, which is already in the camera because I did have to open it up just to make sure everything works fine. So yes, the battery's already in the camera. But in the bubble wrap, as you guys can see, is the actual Canon M50. This camera shoots in 4K quality, a bunch of other amazing things. I think Canon did a very good job on this camera, even for the year that it came out, which was 3 years ago, and it still is a very popular camera that's very known. So this is what it looks like when we turn it on. It's very, very, very good. But before we do turn it on, we do need to attach the lens onto it. So we're going to attach that on really quick. Okay, So we just heard that click, which means that the lens is officially attached onto the camera. And officially take it off is this little thing that just protects the lens, makes sure no scratches or no dust interferes with the quality of the camera. So they did come with 3 camera covers, which I think is very good, just so your camera, you can, you know, swap them out with whatever lens cover you'd like. But I think that it's really good that it comes with 3 different ones, just in case you lose one, or you just want to make sure your camera is protected all the way. Who doesn't want to make sure that is? But this camera is so good as I'm looking at it currently. It looks amazing. And another feature that I love about this camera is it is amazing for YouTubers like me. When I'm doing vlogs, you can always just use this. This is a thing that I never had with my other cameras. This is the first really professional, high quality camera that I had. And the thing that you can do with this is it does have a flip screen right here, just a mirroring so you can see yourself, and I think that's amazing. And then another thing is this thing can flip around so you can see while you're shooting. So it is very multi-purpose camera. I think it's very amazing. This is really cool. So as you guys can see that, and this camera is literally like the future, even though it came out 3 years ago. But I think this camera is amazing. So it does have a bunch of different settings. So as you guys can see from this camera right here, it does have a bunch of different settings. There is the video setting, then there's manual setting where you can just pick the settings that you want, and pick the amount of things that you like, the amount of exposure, the amount of all different things. There's a bunch of just amazing different purposes that this camera could be used for. They can be used for YouTube videos like I'm doing right now. They could be used for pictures. They could be used for vertical videos as well, not only horizontal. But this is amazing. And then, you know, creator's choice as well, and just amazing creative features on here that I love so very much. And this camera does have flash. Once you open this area right here, this is the flash. I'm still trying to get used to it. I'm still reading the manual, but I just wanted to show you guys this first look at it so you guys can see my first reaction to the camera. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. This is the Canon EOS M50. It is incredible. So that's what it looks like. I always have a memory card. I also have a memory card in here too. But how I use the zoom is so different from my other cameras. My other cameras did come out around like 2012 to 2016, so it's not that high quality as of 2018 and now, but I feel like this camera is just the best. So the zoom is much different than the other cameras that I have. You can zoom with the actual lens. You don't use like another part over here to zoom, and I think that's really cool, just with like when I'm doing vlogs and stuff, just how you can see the actual camera itself, and you can zoom in and I can see myself. Like, I love that I can see myself, because when I'm doing vlogs sometimes the camera just gets very blurry, and unknowingly, I don't know, because I don't have a mirrorless camera or a flip screen. So it's very good for vlogs, and this is the top #1 rated camera for YouTubers and content creators. So I think this camera is perfect for me. Yeah, so this camera is perfect. There's so many different things that you can do with this, and it does also come with a little strap. I did not show, forgot about that, but it does come with this Canon strap that they sent me. I don't really like to use straps. On my other cameras, I did take my straps off just because I don't use straps as much as you're actually supposed to, I don't think. But I will use the strap when I am taking pictures. But the strap is pretty cool. It says Canon on it. Has their colors and everything. So that's pretty cool. And then we have the lens covers, we have the charger, we have the manual, the strap, and the official Canon camera with the lens. I think this is an amazing thing that Canon has created. Shout out to Canon for creating such an amazing masterpiece. I am so grateful to have this. Shout out to my grandpa for getting me this. I am so grateful. Yeah, this is truly amazing, and I love this so much. Yeah, so all the features on here will be unlocked on my YouTube channel in further videos, which I'll be using this camera. This camera is my new baby, my new best friend. So yeah guys, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know it was a little bit shorter than my usual videos, but I just wanted to show you guys this new camera that I have got my hands on and I'm so excited to be using for all my new content. My content is going to be so much clearer and so much different now that I have this camera. And you know, shout out to Canon for making such an amazing camera that is just so great. But I am so very grateful for this camera. This camera is amazing, and I hope all of you guys enjoyed this. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post. And smash the like button if you guys want to see more Canon unboxings or unboxings in general. Yeah, so this camera is amazing, and I'm so grateful to have it. So cheers to more, you know, clear and more professional videos. So I love you all so much. Stay safe, stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.